How to add Gmail on Google Workspace. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Gmail on Google Workspace. So it's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So in order to add your Gmail to your Google Workspace, you basically do it when you create your account on Google Workspace. So first of all, on your browser, just search for admin.google.com, click enter. So once you're on the admin console page, you will see on your home screen, just click on start free trial. So you basically have to create your account to enter your email address. So just enter your business name and enter all these details. And after that, just enter your contact info. And on the contact info page, you will see you have to enter your current email address. So this is where you will enter your email address to link your Google Workspace to your email address. So just enter your email address right here and just click on next. And after that, just simply go ahead and create your whole account on Google Workspace. So this is how you will be able to enter your email on Google Workspace. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.